Hi there, this is Maneesh from PMP, and in this particular video, I wanted to bring to your notice that we have now published our entire PMP Ninja schedule on our website. Link provided. When you do PMP Ninja with us, it's a 4.5-day kind of a course where we actually utilize the 2 weekends, and we also utilize the evening and night part of Friday so that you've finished your work and you can still join us. During this, we actually discuss everything about PMP, all the concepts in a very practical manner. This particular training has been redrafted from the beginning in a completely new manner with a completely different flow so that we not only cater to everything that needs to be covered in PMP 2021, but we also ace it. We understand it so that we logically get a grip on the subject. In this session, everything that needs to be covered as per ECO or as per the additional prep guide published by PMI and more is covered here. Nothing is left to chance. But what you really need to know about this training is that these trainings that we conduct or have been conducting in the past as well are one of the most interesting trainings you can ever attend. Now, why is having fun during learning so important? Because it removes the stress. It makes you focus better on the content. It does not make you feel stressed or worried. Not only that, once the session is done, I'm also going to provide to you Ninja Notes. By the way, Ninja Notes is the same Ninja Notes which have been a bestseller. Of course, now it has been redrafted. Every bit of note, tips and tricks that you would need to ace your PMP is provided in this document. And this essential document is actually part of the entire course. It's available to you just because you attended this particular training. Not only that, what we also provide you is access to the PM audio site, which is called PM Dhwani, link provided. The reason I provide audio access to my students is because then you can utilize your time extremely well. You can listen to it when you're walking, for jogging, while working out, while even working, right? So instead of listening to music or things like that, you can just listen to these audio. And they've been recorded, keeping in mind that you will not be looking at anything else. So they are substantial and complete just through audios. It's not like that I've read out a book. No, it's been specially drafted and crafted for you to listen and assimilate. And not only that, the entire session will be recorded, and this video from this particular session will be provided to you as a link so that in case you missed out something or you want to revise something, you can go back and listen to it. And of course, you get those 35 contact hours so that you can apply for PMP exams and ace it. But now comes the most essential aspect of our training, and that is one-to-one hand-holding and support and mentoring till each of my students clear the exams. As simple as that. I want them to appear once, I want them to prepare once and ace it once. That's it. We really don't want people to go through it multiple times. You guys are not just a statistics for me. I'm literally invested in you, and therefore it's in my interest that you clear. So here's the point. After the end of the training, I'm going to actually personally follow up with each of the students and see their journey, monitor it, and also coach them, even if needed, mentor them so that they are on the right track and ultimately ace PMP. This is Maneesh from PMP, and I really look forward to seeing you in one of my sessions. The entire schedule is provided. The link is again provided here. And since we do not advertise, we depend on people like you to actually spread the word. So please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, ask a question, and even better, something that's going to help me a lot, spread it among people, spread the word. Share this link to as many people as you can who you think would be looking out for quality training. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.